Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel TanmoyChem and Facebook page Chemistry the Mystery of Molecules. Today's topic of discussion is one MCQ, and the question is which alkene has the highest and lowest heat of hydrogenation respectively. I request everyone please pause the video, try yourself, and whatever answer you get please write in the comment box along with few words as explanation. I believe you have first will start. Now, before going to the details, let's understand the question. Which alkene has highest and lowest heat of hydrogenation? By the way, sometime this question could be modified and it can be say which alkene has highest and lowest stabilization. That way also the question may come. Now, in order to understand this, let's go to the basic concept. What is mean by heat of hydrogenation? Heat of hydrogenation is actually the energy released. Obviously, since it is an exothermic process, so the amount of energy released when hydrogen is added to the unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compound means alkene, alkyne, where pi bond is present and it will form a saturated compound. Now, heat of hydrogenation is very helpful for stability comparison of alkene. When the final product is same, you'll understand every case due to hydrogenation means if you react with one molecule of hydrogen in presence of catalyst, all will produce the same product. So in this case, the heat of hydrogenation is helpful for comparison of stability. So for heat of hydrogenation comparison, final alkene must be same. Obviously, through heat of hydrogenation stability comparison. Otherwise, the alkene stability could be compared by heat of combustion data. Next, the energy released due to the disappearance of pi bond means alkene, alkyne, their pi bond present. This pi bond is weaker, less stable because parallel or sideways overlap, whereas it resulted to form a sigma bond means two carbon hydrogen sigma bond new produce, and this sigma bond is more stable due to end-to-end or head-on overlap. So that is the reason why this reaction is actually exothermic. And here remember, higher the instability of alkene or higher the energy of alkene, higher will be the heat of hydrogenation. Now you may have doubt, let's explain it. Now if you look at, this is your reactant, this is your alkene, and this is your product alkene, so obviously delta H negative because pi bond is converted into sigma bond. Now in this case, if your reactant energy higher here, so you can expect, sir, this case the delta H value increased, so obviously it will be more exothermic. Now if you think, sir, my alkene is more stable here, so obviously that case the heat of hydrogenation value must be lesser. So the concept is that higher the instability of the alkene, higher will be the energy release, means higher will be the value of heat of hydrogenation. Now let's look at the option. So if you look at which alkene is maximum stable, which is minimum. Now here you need to understand one rule. More substituted alkene is more stable, less substituted alkene is less stable. Second thing, if you have same number of substitution, that case exocyclic double bonds are less stable compared to endocyclic for a ring compound. Now if you look at here, these option B, this alkene is maximum substituted. Look at this double bond is attached with 4 carbon atoms, so maximum substitution. So you can say, sir, this is maximum stable. Now if you look at remaining, this is 3 substitution, okay, second position. Now if you look at D versus A, both are disubstituted. But if you look at this option D, this is exocyclic. And if you look at here, this is endocyclic. So as I told that exocyclic double bonds are less stable compared to endocyclic. So you can understand, sir, these one should be minimum stable. So which one will release maximum energy? Option D, upon hydrogenation will release maximum energy. Option B, upon hydrogenation will release minimum amount of energy. So here highest and lowest. By the way, student, when you solve such kind of problem, be very careful what is given and respectively what is there. So which one will release highest energy? Least stable alkene, option D. So where option D first? Okay, two options. So option 1 and 4 gone. So this two. Now next, lowest heat of hydrogenation, maximum stable, option B. So B, this one is the right answer. By the way, this problem is not difficult. Whatever I have explained this much time, you can do it very fast, but should be very careful. You should be very precise. And for that thing, you need more study and more practice. Then only you can reduce the chance of mistake. I know for such kind of question, there will be a lots of chance for mistake, but please do those mistakes during your practice, not in the exam. So this is the overall discussion. Thanks for watching, and if you really enjoy the content, please share among your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye.